Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to insert pictures in Microsoft Word from your device or from your laptop or a computer that you're using, and also from online. And also I'm going to teach you some factors that you are supposed to know before you insert a photo from online. So let's start from the pictures from our laptop. So you go to insert pictures and then this device. So and then you look for the location where you have stored the picture. So for me, I have them at the download. So I browse for the photo that I want to attach. So maybe this one, and then I click, then I insert, and then now your picture has been inserted, and you can do the formatting of your picture. You can also change the color. You can change the color. You can do correction. You can also remove the background of your picture. You can do a lot of things. Also, you can change this. You can change a lot of things, even the size of your picture. You can crop your picture. So we are done with how to insert a picture from your device or from your laptop or your computer. So let's look at how you can insert a picture now from the website. So you go to insert again. This time round, you are not going to click this device, but we are going to click online pictures. Then we wait for it, and then you type which type of picture you want to insert. So I want to insert an orange. So the web is going to bring all the pictures that are there in the website. So, and you cannot just insert any kind of a picture without permission of someone, because you might be sued of the copyright issues. So what do you do in such cases? So you need to click this Creative Commons. It is going to bring you the pictures that allows people to reuse the pictures, which are called Creative Commons only. So if we revert back the Creative Commons, you will see that we are having a more different variety of pictures compared to when you click with Creative Commons. So you can pick any picture. So you click and then you insert. Your picture has been added into your Word document. So that's how you can do that. And for this picture also, you can do the formatting the same way that I showed you how to do the formatting for the picture that you insert from the device.